Welcome to the Educational Institute Chatbot Preview. This intelligent chatbot is designed to simplify how students and parents access academic information, making their educational journey easier, guided, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message followed by a main menu featuring 6 service options: courses, admissions, career help, placements, institute info, and talk to an advisor. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized to match individual institute needs and requirements. When a user selects courses, the chatbot guides them to choose a course category and then a specific program within that category. After collecting these basic details, the bot provides a clear and detailed summary of the selected program, including key highlights. If the user clicks on enroll, the chatbot shares a short questionnaire to gather essential information such as the referral source and the student's primary goal. Once the details are submitted, the chatbot generates a complete summary of the enrollment request and confirms the submission. This chatbot ensures a smooth, informative, and user-friendly experience, helping students and parents explore programs and take the next step with confidence. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our Start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content such as images, videos, PDFs, and more through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Educational Institute Chatbot template installation process and Flow Builder overview.